Welcome to Seed to Life. I hope you're doing well and keeping safe. Do you know this man? He is Mr. John McConnell, the founder and creator of Earth Day. He also designed and created Earth's Day flag. He was an American citizen and a traveling doctor. He was a partner in the Nobel Research Laboratories in Los Angeles, a company that was producing plastic. Mr. McConnell realized how dangerous plastic waste is for the health of our beloved Earth. Thanks to his smart and futuristic thinking, today we all know that our Earth, our savior, needs much more love than ever before. John McConnell is also famous for peace activism. John McConnell believed that humans have obligation to take care of the Earth. In October 1969, at the National UNESCO Conference in San Francisco, McConnell proposed a global holiday to celebrate Earth's life and beauty and to advance peace. His proposition received strong support and appreciation that resulted in the Earth's Day proclamation by the city of San Francisco on March 1, 1970, Honor the Earth, and the very first celebration of Earth Day on March 21, 1970. Did you know that Earth existed for most of its history, 4.25 billion years, without any life and technological development? We, the humans, arrived after billions of years. We started exploring the Earth and found so many goodies. According to one estimate, there are more than 100 billion galaxies in the universe, maybe many more. Scientists throughout the world are working hard to find our living neighbors. They could be tiny bacteria or smart robot-like animals. We don't know. They may not even exist. So far, we have found nothing. So if you can see how rare our Earth is, you will be amazed. We are at a perfect distance from the sun. Not too close, not too far. We can enjoy the warmth of the sun without getting burnt. We still have oxygen to breathe, that too in the right amount. The gravity is perfect, and because of that we can stand on the earth. Just a little less and we will fly and vanish in the sky. And just a little more and the gravity will stretch us and squeeze us. Because our earth is slightly tilted, we can enjoy seasons. We can enjoy fall colors and snow flurries, dance in monsoon rain and get those tan marks. Our earth, our plants, we all animals and humans are very rare things created by nature. Unbelievable coincidences had to happen for us to be born and survive on the earth. So let's respect it. I have a little backyard garden in which I am growing more than 150 types of at least 300, possibly many more plants. The number keeps changing, but it keeps getting higher. Through my YouTube channel Seed to Life, I share my good and bad experiences with all of you. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel to know these plants, the interesting ancient history behind them, learn their health benefits and also side effects. Learn how to grow them from cuttings and from seeds. Watch me making mistakes so you don't fail. Thank you again for watching. A very happy Earth Day to our shining blue-green beauty, our Earth. Happy gardening! Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Seed to Life and click on the bell icon to watch more such videos. Social media links are in the description. Thank you again. See you soon.